So yesterday there was a huge EAS compilation with a whole bunch of tornado warnings, and most of these tornado warnings were actually tornadoes on the ground reported, and most of them were in Hardin and Marion County in Ohio, and yeah, there's SVRs. Most of them were TOR confirmed. I think one was like a regular TOR, but most of them were TOR confirmed, and yeah, not anything to mess around about, but yeah, it was a pretty scary day. Anyways, let's just get to this compilation because I have nothing else to say and I'm just getting really bored. Day couldn't get any more eventful. Oh, Cleveland. Shit. 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 Jesus. This thing is cleaning. That's nice.
Vehicles. Expect damage to trees and power lines.
What the hell?
Locations impacted include Marion, Little, Morrill, Marcells, New Bloomington, Green Camp, and Harpster. Here are the noon weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport under partly sunny skies. The temperature was 83 degrees, at 2.74, and the relative...
Damn you ILN. Damn you ILN.
And now the conditions
What the hell?
for selected locations across
okay.
Ohio.
That's it until like 1 a.m.
The Ohio State University Airport.
That'll be weird, wouldn't it?
N84. Rickenbacker Airport Fair. N83.
That'd be pretty weird.
In Lancaster Fair. N82. N83. Up in Cleveland.
Okay. Oh, that's that. Okay, I am bot. Thank you.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Delaware, Knox, Licking, Marion, Morrill,
I'm guessing.
West and Union, and the waters of Lake Erie from the island of Vermilion, Ohio. 3-4, effective until Eastern Daylight Time. This watch including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
No.
You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. An unsettled pattern will evolve through early in the work week, with widespread showers and storms today and again Sunday night through Monday.
The hell? Okay. What's that? Okay. Turn this back on. What is this? I'm guessing it's out of battery, isn't it? Because that was just flashing like that. I heard it activate. I swear I heard it activate. Right here. Just change the batteries. I swear I heard it activate. Did it just cut off like that? I don't know. Damn it, I only have 2 batteries. Gotta get the other one. Should last a bit. So, put this back in there. Come on. Come on. Can't be doing this. Thank you. Now, what? Hello? So you're telling me that I have to turn the whole thing off and turn it back on? Oh, wow. Okay. That's so stupid. Highly doubt these things play Tornado Watch. Things are really escalating now. It's really starting to escalate.
Western Marion County until 1:30 p.m. At 12:56 p.m., a tornado producing storm.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and ping pong ball signs hail. Source: law informant confirmed tornado near Kenton.
Oh my God!
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Lamu around 1:25
I gotta start a...
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Green Camp and New Bloomington. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground.
Oh my God!
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Gotta do this. Oh my God.
Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast
Oh my
for Central
God.
Ohio. Rest of today, mostly cloudy this late morning and early afternoon, then becoming partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms late this morning. Then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%.
Hey guys, this is Van County 373 here. No time for countdown. We got a tornado on the ground in Marion County.
Mostly clear after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday, mostly.
This is crazy.
Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Still haven't left, I know.
Tree damage is likely.
Oh, we gotta get going.
The tornado will be near Marion around 1:35 p.m.
Alright,
Other
gotta go.
locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Caledonia. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. To a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
This camera's always greasy.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now here is...
I'm gonna keep that up because that's gonna go off soon, I think.
Northeastern Marion County, southern Crawford County, until 2:15 p.m.
It's gonna go off soon.
At 1:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of Coral, or 7 miles north of Marion, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jillian around 2:05 p.m. Crestline around 2:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include North Robinson. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Alright, let's go through here. I might come after this, I don't know. Just keep.
29.85 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio. Edmonton Field, partly sunny at 82. Alberta Fair at 81. In Lancaster Fair at 83. And York, partly sunny.
Alright, guess not.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, Ashland County, Eastern p.m. miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Loudonville, Belleville, Hayesville, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Jeromesville, Mifflin, Lewisburg, Moheganville, Shock and Olivesburg. Now here is the official. A tornado was located over Lexington, 47 miles southwest of Mansfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Belleville around 2:25 p.m. Loudonville and Hayesville around 2:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Jeromesville, Moheganville, Lucas, Perrysville, and Mifflin. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Here are the 2 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport. Highs around 80. Wednesday night, clear. Lows around 60. Thursday.
Ready, fine. Let's see what it is.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Richland County, south central Ashland County, northeastern Knox County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Belleville, or 9 miles south of Mansfield, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Loudonville around 3:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Butler, North Liberty, and Perrysville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors, in a mobile shelter and protect yourself